This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix share name and photo not working on iPhone. If you're facing this issue, follow these easy steps to fix it. The solution is open your iPhone settings and tap on your Apple ID. And here, note your Apple ID email address. Tap on back, scroll down, tap on messages, and make sure to enable iMessage and tap on send and receive. And make sure to add here the same email address. So my Apple ID email address is this one. So I have selected this email address here. Then tapping on back. Once you added here your Apple ID email address, then tap on share name and photo and enable this option. And that's how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.